Right, good afternoon. So today I'm going to show you how to multiply and divide with surds. Okay, it looks difficult, but it's not once you understand the rules. So we're going to start with root 3 times root 2. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, so that's root 6. Okay, 6 cannot be simplified, so we'll leave it as root 6. Okay. Now it's also a good idea to write down your square numbers again, to go down the side, just for you to spot. Okay, now root 8 times root 2 gives you root 16. We can see there root 16 is a square number, so the square root of 16 just gives you 4. Alright, as a whole number, no square root in front. 6 times 12, that gives you root 72. 72, now 36 can fit into that twice. Okay, so it's root 36 times root 2. Square root of 36 is 6, so it's 6 lots of root 2. Okay, so you can times a surd by a surd, and we can only times the whole number by a whole number. Right, so I'm going to do 2 times 4 first, which gives us 8. Root 3 times root 2 gives us root 6. We can see from above, root 6 cannot be simplified, so we just leave it as 8 lots of root 6. Okay. This one is a repeat, so we're going to go straight onto this one. 2 times 3 gives us 6. Now root 2 times root 8 gives us root 16. Okay. Now we know root 16 can be simplified to give you 4. Okay, so I've got 6 lots of 4. That cancels, which gives you 24. There's no roots attached because root 16 gives you 4. And 6 lots of that 4 is 24. Right, going down then, it's the same with dividing. You can only divide 2 surds or the whole numbers in front. 21 divided by 7 gives you root 3. Alright, it's not a square number, so it cannot be cancelled down or simplified further. 56 divided by root 7 gives us root 8. We can see from the list above, 4 can fit into that twice. So that's equal to root 4 times root 2. The square root of 4 is 2, so that's 2 lots of root 2. Okay, with the next one, got 40 divided by 20, which gives us 2. Okay, 80 divided by 5 is 16. So that's 2 lots of root 16. Okay, the square root of 16 is 4, so that's 2 lots of 4, which equals 8. With the next one, we're going to have 51 divided by 3. Okay, if you can't do it in your head, just put 51 divided by 3 gives you 17. Okay, so it's 17. Now root 7 divided by root 7, if you divide it by itself, that means how many root 7s are in root 7, which is just 1. And 17 times 1 is just 17. Now, onto the slightly harder ones. You're going to have a single bracket. Okay? You've got a surd on the outside and then 2 terms on the inside with a surd. So we're going to say it's root 3 times the whole bracket. Root 3 times root 2 gives you root 6. Then we're going to do root 3 times 6 is 6 lots of root 3. They just go together. So positive 6, so you put your plus in between. That cannot be added up because a root 6 is different to a root 3. Keep them separate. Okay. Same with your next one. We're going to have root 6 times 2. That's not root 12. It is 2 lots of root 6. Then it's root 6 times a minus root 3, which gives us minus root 18. Okay, and just check, root 6 cannot be simplified, but root 18 can. 9 can fit into there twice, so that's root 9 times root 2. That simplifies to 3 lots of root 2. So your answer is 2 root 6 minus 3 lots of root 2. Okay, both sides are different, so it can't be simplified. Okay, with double brackets, right, we've got 4 sums to do, and now we'd use a grid for this. Okay, multiplication grid. Put your times sign in the corner, and you're going to have root 3 and a plus 1 here. Times by root 3 and a plus 5 here. Right, root 3 times root 3 gives you root 9, which just equals 3. Okay, so root 9, which equals 3. I'll circle it off. One lot of root 3 is just a root 3. You put your plus sign in between. We've got 5 times root 3 is a positive 5 lots of root 3. We've got 5 times 1, it's just 5, it's positive 5, put your plus in between. You can see here, we can add these sides up, and we can also add your whole numbers. So we're going to do 5 plus 3 is your 8, and then we can also add the same sides together. So you've got 5 lots of root 3, add another lot, gives you 6 lots of root 3. So your answer is 6 root 3 plus 8. Okay. Now, same with your next one. Okay. We're going to do the grid. 5 minus root 3 times 5 and a plus root 3, positive root 3. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times minus root 3 is minus 5 lots of root 3. 5 times root 3 is a positive 5 root 3. Okay, root 3 times root 3 is root 9, and that simplifies to just 3. Okay, a minus and a positive makes a minus. So then we can do 25, take away 3, which gives us 22. And we've got here minus 5 root 3, add 5, cancels to nothing. Okay, because minus 5 plus 5 equals 0. So your final answer is just 22. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope you found that as helpful as my class do. Thank you, goodbye.